like Python, C++, Java, C, SQL, front end. You know, guys, the front end, back end, everything is very important while we are going to work on the web development, guys. So we must have to learn this, and all these courses are free of course. You can see here this one. We can learn the Python programming, learn Java, C, and C++, problem solving in Python, Java problem solving. There is mentioned one tag that is beginners, and you are intermediate. Then there is the course that is written or tagged. That one is the intermediate, right? I give you a best suggestion if you want to be the application developer. Don't go anywhere. Finally, my dear friends, now we are on the computer screen. So as you know, today we are going to see two websites that help us to improve our skill related to our programming language. That helps for your that that helps to improve your programming skill. Like if you want to do programming but you don't know anything about programming, so that time this course will help you a lot while you are writing programs from basic to advanced or anything else. Not only a single programming language, there are lots of programming languages that you can get each and every courses for free of cost with certifications. If you want certifications, then maybe you have to pay some fee to upgrade your version. So without wasting any time, let's start our journey. So we are on the computer screen. I'm going to show you what is the name of that website. So I am requesting you, if you are new in this channel, then subscribe this YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification. At last I will give you one offer and one surprise for you all. So watch this video till end and do one comment for me. So let's start. So now we are on the computer screen and we are going to open any browser. Means that may be your Chrome browser, that may be your Microsoft Edge, that may be your Mozilla Firefox, any browser. So I'm opening Chrome browser and opening my personal account, and now we are in the web page of Chrome browser. Now we are going to search the first website, that is Code Chip, and maybe you are able to watch that on the screen in the text. So let's search that Code Chip, codechip.com. okay, and then press enter. This is our first website. For if you are beginner or anything else, that doesn't matter, you can start your journey from here. Like I started here from beginners, like continue your learning. Okay, so here if you can click on this continue, you can continue this programming, like how it helps you. So see here is a string length. Okay, this is the program. Now I am in the middle, that's why it is little bit complex, not more complex, but it is complex. So here is hint how to do that program. This one is the major things that the other sites didn't give you. So this one from a string length to here, this all is your hints. From that they explain everything, and from that you have to write your program. So what we do, we have to do these tasks, as you can see this one. Okay, sorry, this one up to this one. Okay, so this explain that write a program which does the following. Okay, we have to write such types of program which can do the following 2 points. Okay, this must be included there. So and we have to write here our program. So what we have to write here, then if you don't know anything how to write, then you come to this option solution and you will get this points and this syntax. Okay, you can copy, simply you can copy this, paste here, and you can run this program. Okay, otherwise if you know, then you can write by yourself. This is okay, and you will get your answer here, right? And then you have to go the next point, and you will get the next, like this. This website helps you to improve your programming language from basic to advanced. Okay, this one is the first, and this is not only, we have the next, that is our, and you can also get your test here. You can also show your talent, how much you know. Okay, you can also get the all roadmaps of all the programming language, like you can learn the DSA is very important while you are going for your placements for every what we call programs like Python, C++, Java, C, SQL, front end. You know, guys, the front end, back end, everything is very important while we are going to work on the web development, guys. So we must have to learn this, and all these courses are free of cost. You can see here, this one we can learn the Python programming, learn Java, C and C++, problem solving in Python, Java problem solving, and problem solving, as you know, problem solving is also very important for our placements. While we are going for the placement, then this questions is also asked there. And learn SQL, you can learn several courses from here, and that is free of cost. And after that you can get your certification from here. Like you can see here, if you are beginner, then you have to learn that courses. There is mentioned one tag, that is beginners, and you are intermediate, then there is the course that is written or tagged, that one is the intermediate, right? And this one is all about your courses, and we are going to the next point. That one is all road map. Okay, so this, if you are joining this DSA, Python beginners DSA, or C++, Java, or any programs that mentioned in all courses, so you have to know that roadmaps. Okay, how much we have to learn, what is the advantage if you learn that program. Okay, so you have to, this all gives you the roadmap, like you can get here how to write programs or anything, what we have to use, how many courses are there, how many problems are there. You can see here 12 courses, 982 problems. This is enough. Okay, read roadmap now, so you can get here successfully, and from here get full access today, and you can get full access, and you can get everything from here. Okay, so this one is the best, and I also prefer this website to learn coding. Like if you learn everything, so the next point, that will be the skill test. Okay, a skill test. So from here you can test yourself how much you know the programs, or the topics. Here is the next point, the topics. Learn Python. If you want to learn Python, then you can learn everything, like oops is also a very important for programming. Similarly, learn C. You can learn C, everything from beginner to the intermediate and the high levels. Like learn Java. Java is full of oops, so we must have, if you want to be the web developer, then this will help you a lot. Like C++ is also very important programming language, right? Data structure and algorithm, so this one is very important. If you are writing any programs, first we have to make that write that programs in algorithm or in the flowchart. So this helps you to link all the programs, or to write all the programs in step by step, and this helps to solve your problem sequentially. So this one also help you a lot while writing your programs. So first the beginners must know this data structure and algorithm, like data analyst. Okay, so data analyst is also very important programming language. You can see here, data analytics, a high sought after the field revolve around analyzing raw data to extract meaningful insight. Okay, so if a student is studying AIDS, means artificial intelligence and data science, so they must prefer this website to learn the data analytics and web development. As you know, now this is the era of web development. Most of the people are involved in the web development. Like me, I'm also working as a web development, so I develop lots of applications, websites, and that is all available on the website. You can you can visit my website or everything's my application also. And I will provide that link in the description. Go to the next point, that one is C hashtag. Okay, and this one is also very important. Like you can get each and everything, like learn Kotlin. Kotlin means this one help you to make Android application. So if you want to develop any types of Android application, then this will help you a lot. So I give you a best suggestion. If you want to be the application developer, don't go anywhere. You must have to prefer this one, Kotlin. Kotlin is the best roadmap or the best what you call programming language from where you can develop any types of application easily. Okay, and it is easy to learn. So I am also learning this now. And this one is learn PHP. PHP is also important, as you know. So these types of services or these types of courses is provided by this Codecheap website. So I hope you will visit this website and you will prefer this website to build your best career in the programming language. And our next website is HackerRank. So we are going to open that HackerRank. So let's go HackerRank and open. Okay, and this one is the first website, HackerRank. Okay, so click on the first link and you will visit here. Okay, so first you have to log in this website. So I'm going to log in this website. Log in because I have already created the account in it. So I just log in this. If you are new, then you can go on. Sorry. Let's go for the first time. Okay, so sign up. Okay, we are going for sign up, and what we do, we are for the free trial. Okay, free trial. So we click on the I am here in the hire tech talent, and then I am here to practice and prepare. Sorry, I am here for practice and prepare. Okay, and create account, and then you will come here and write your name, your email, create your password, and then I agree and then sign up. Okay, this is the way of logging in this HackerRank, and I am here. So if you are preparing for the job interview, then you can click on prepare for job interview, but most of the people learn and complete with others. So I came here and I am a student, and you can skip if you don't want to show these results. Then so a student, and then select when will you graduate, when will you be graduate, like this one 2028. Then let's go. Okay, so now we are in the interface, we are in the web page of this HackerRank. So if you want to verify this email address, then you can verify from here. Otherwise you can come here and you can get what type of certifications you can get from here. So first we are going to discuss about the problem solving. That maybe the basics, means if you want to do the problem solvings, like as you know, I already told you about this. So if you want to get certification, then you came here and then get satisfied, and then you have to verify this link with your email address, right? So you can do that. Otherwise if you came here at the first page, then you will get the certified from the Python. As I already told you that this website help you to get the certification along with your skill. So like what type of what type of courses this website provide. So we are going to discuss about that. This one is algorithm. As you know, first this one is algorithm, which create the sequential solving of problems. So you can solve your problems sequentially by the help of algorithm. And the next one is artificial intelligence, and this one is very important nowadays. As you know, most of the students are taking their career, enhancing their career in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Like me, I am also studying artificial intelligence and machine learning. So if you want to prepare your topic on the artificial intelligence, then you must prefer this website. And like Java, SQL, functional programming, data structure, C, Python, databases, regex, mathematics, C++, Ruby, and Linux Shell. As you know, the Linux Shell help you in the field of cyber security. Okay, if you are studying the cyber security or 3 years courses or 4 years courses, then you must have to prefer this website, right? So, and if you want to explore your skill, then you can also explore your skill from this, add your first skill. So this website help you to enhance your career in all the technological field and in the programming skill. So you can also get the certifications of the hackathon ranks and etc, like the events that held here. You can also compete the others people that helps you to enhance your career. So this is the two website that helps you to enhance your career in the field of learning programming and programming languages. So I hope guys this video help you a lot. If you feel that this videos help, then if you are I hope guys you will feel better, and these two websites help you a lot to learn programming languages. At last, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe this YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new notification. Me, your brother RJ Rahul Yadav, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you so much for your precious time. Bye bye, take care.